So in this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how to find a z-score from a data set in SPSS. So I've entered my own data set into SPSS here. And once I've entered my own data set, there's a lot of different things that I can do with it. So if I go into the descriptives box, I can move it over. And if I wanted to tell me the z-score, I'm actually just going to check this button off that says Save Standardized Values. And you could also generate anything else that you wanted to. I could generate the standard deviation, the variance, the range. I could generate anything in this box. The key is making sure that this has a check mark. It may not, from when you close SPSS to open it next time, it might disappear, in which case you will not get a z-score. You'll just get the descriptives output. So you want to click Save Standardized Values, and then you click OK. And so if I wanted to know the z-score for the value 14, it would be negative 0.63. If I wanted to know the z-score for 16, it would be 0.632. So this is how you're actually going to find the z-scores for any given score of this variable. So let's say that maybe this variable is the number of absences that a student has. So if a student had 14 absences, the corresponding z-score would be negative 0.632. So that's how we get to that. I can also just look at my descriptives, and I can go ahead and calculate all those other pieces like the mean, the median, and the mode, and that is going to then pop up in my output table and not in my actual thing. So I would need to find my output table. Remember, it can be sneaky and hide behind things. And so here's my output table, and you'll notice in the output table you don't get a z-score because it's going to put the z-score in the new column. So I can see all of my descriptive statistics, but if I wanted to see the z-score, I'm going to have to look in the column.